Right now, I think the key risk that we continue to monitor will be Omicron. But obviously, we believe that Omicron has been disrupting activity so far this year. But we hopefully expect that this will subside by February or beyond. And hopefully, in this way, this will hopefully benefit or will boost up sentiment in that sense to the market. And other than Omicron, I think another aspect that will continue to focus will be like what you guys mentioned just now, the inflation print out of US tonight. Like you mentioned just now, it's going to be market expecting around 7%, which will be the highest since June 1982. So, but then going forward, even though with elevated inflation, we believe that inflation in US or in China is gonna come down probably in the middle of this year, and especially when supply chain issues will also, from what we've seen from our research, we see that within Asia, supply chain issues have peaked. So hopefully this will also contribute to, like, with inflation coming down and also supply chain issues resolving. This will also contribute to better market sentiment.
What about Omicron? As you were saying, there is a WHO and a forecast now that they expect in the coming weeks that half of the population in Europe is going to come down with COVID. What is that going to do to the economy, and how are the markets going to be reacting to that?
I guess this Omicron is a sad piece of news, and going forward, definitely this will be critical, especially, for example, we in Hong Kong are continuing to monitor the situation. And this is quite contagious, and so this will definitely have a negative impact on the market in the near term. But similar to the past, like with Delta or other in the previous COVID incidents, we see that the market has been adapting quite well, and also with businesses, especially, we see that producers have also been adapting quite well to this whole new situation or new whole condition. So, and we see that with Omicron, there have been vaccines and medications that hopefully can cure infected people or population. So it will be a short, painful process, but hopefully once it gets better in March or onwards, then sentiment will pick up once again.